Is your career on the extinction list? In my last video, we broke down the Goldman Sachs report predicting 300 million jobs exposed to automation. But statistics are easy to ignore. Today, we are making it personal. I have analyzed reports from McKinsey, the World Economic Forum, and OpenAI to bring you the definitive list. These are the 10 jobs that AI will replace first. We are looking at the specific roles that are disappearing not in 10 years, but in the next 24 months. Number 10 is translators and interpreters. For decades, learning a second language was a guaranteed path to a secure, high-paying career. That era is officially ending. In early 2024, Duolingo made headlines by offboarding 10% of their translation contractors. Why? Because AI could do the job faster, cheaper, and arguably better. With tools like Google's Gemini Live and OpenAI's Whisper, we now have real-time, context-aware translation for free. The surviving humans in this field won't be translators. They will just be editors who check the AI's work. Number 9 is proofreaders and copy editors. If your primary value to a company is catching spelling mistakes and fixing grammar, you are in the danger zone. ChatGPT and Grammarly Pro have essentially mastered the English language. They don't get tired, they don't miss commas, and they work instantly for a monthly subscription that costs less than 1 hour of your wage. Publishing industry is already shifting. The role of editor is changing from correcting text to fact-checking the AI to ensure it isn't hallucinating. Number 8 is entry-level stock traders. Wall Street has been using algorithms for decades, but the barrier to entry has now collapsed completely. Retail investors now have access to AI agents that can analyze millions of data points, read earnings reports, and execute trades in milliseconds. The idea of a human junior analyst sitting at a desk, trying to guess where the market will go based on a gut feeling, is becoming obsolete. AI doesn't have emotions, and it doesn't panic sell. Number 7 is telemarketers. If you thought human telemarketers were annoying, wait until you meet the AI ones. This industry is facing a total wipeout. New AI voice agents can make 10,000 calls simultaneously. They sound frighteningly human, they can handle objections, and they never get discouraged by rejection. For a business owner, the choice is simple. Pay a human salary for 100 calls a day, or pay pennies for an AI to make 10,000. The math simply doesn't work for humans anymore. Number 6 is bookkeepers and junior accountants. This is the low-hanging fruit of automation. Accounting is based on rules, logic, and data entry. A recent report showed that 63% of administrative processing tasks can be fully automated right now. Tools like QuickBooks are already integrating AI that categorizes expenses automatically. The days of manually typing numbers into Excel are over. The survivors will be the strategic CFOs who tell the business what the numbers mean, not just record them. Number 5 is graphic designers, specifically at the entry level. I know, this one hurts. But we have to look at the reality of Midjourney V6 and DALL-E 3. You can type minimalist logo for a coffee shop and get 4 professional options in 30 seconds. For the $50 freelance market, this career is evaporating. Human creativity is still king for high-end branding. But for generic assets, banners, and social media posts, AI has driven the cost to zero. Number 4 is customer service representatives. This is the biggest disruption we have seen yet, and we have real data to prove it. Klarna, the payment giant, recently revealed that their AI assistant is doing the work of 700 full-time human agents. It handled 2.3 million conversations in its first month. And here is the scary part. The AI had a customer satisfaction score on par with human agents, but it was available 24/7 and spoke 35 languages. Number 3 is research analysts. Companies spend billions gathering data on trends and competitors. It used to take teams of people weeks to compile reports. Now, an AI agent can scour the entire internet, read every news article, analyze every competitor's website, and write a 50-page briefing in 10 minutes. Number 2 is junior software developers. This is the most controversial one. People used to say learn to code was the ultimate safety net. That advice is now outdated. GitHub Copilot is already writing nearly 50% of code for developers. If you are just learning to write basic syntax, you are learning a skill AI has already mastered. The human is becoming the architect. You tell the AI what to build and let it handle the syntax. The job isn't gone, but the bar for entry has just skyrocketed. And finally, number 1 is administrative assistance. Scheduling meetings, replying to emails, booking travel, organizing files. This is the black hole of productivity that AI solves perfectly. We are seeing the rise of AI agents that live in your computer and handle all of this for you. Microsoft 365 Copilot can already access your calendar, email, and files to do this. We are entering the era of the executive of one, where one person with AI can do the work of 5. Now, take a deep breath. If your job was on this list, don't panic, but do not ignore the data. The people who will lose their jobs are the ones who refuse to adapt. The winners will be the ones who learn to use these tools to do the work for them. In my next video, I am going to show you the specific AI skills you need to learn to survive this shift. If you want to stay ahead of the curve, hit that subscribe button. Welcome to the new economy.